Good day, students, and welcome back to our English digital class. In the last video of letter writing, we did why we write a letter, then we did two types of letter, and then we did the parts of the letter. In this part of the video, we are going to learn how to write a letter. So let us start. Let us look at the specimen of a formal letter. Write a letter to your principal seeking permission to start a reading fan club in the school with some of your friends. Now, observe the letter as I read and explain. The first part is heading. 24A Omkar Society, Bangarwadi, Lonavla. In the heading, we have to put the sender's address. Then, after the heading, we have to leave a line. Immediately after leaving a line, on the next line, we have to write the date 24th March 2015. After writing the date, we have to leave a line again. Immediately on the next line, we have to write the receiver's address. The principal, comma, Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhunde High School, comma, Lonavla, full stop. Then again we have to leave a line. After that comes the subject. Here the subject of the letter is application for the permission to start a reading fan club. After the subject, again we have to leave a line. After that comes the salutation. Here in the letter, the salutation written is respected madam oblique sir, comma. Immediately on the next line comes the body of the letter. That means in detail about the letter. I, Ravi Kumar from Standard 7th, Division A, have an idea to start a reading fan club with some of my classmates. We would be doing this activity on every Saturday in our school library from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. Then, after that, we have to start the next paragraph without leaving a line. This will help to improve our vocabulary and fluency. I request you to please grant me the needful. Full stop. On the next line, you will write thank you. Then you will leave a line again. After leaving a line, on the next line comes the closure or the signature with the full name. Yours truly, comma, Ravi Kumar, full stop. Now we have to keep in mind that when you write yours, the S should never be with an apostrophe. So I hope you have understood the formal letter. Now let us look at the specimen of the informal letter. The topic is you are staying away from your family for a project. Write a letter to your mother telling her that you are coming back as you have completed your work. Now, in the informal letter, as we have studied in the last video, there is no compulsion to follow the rules. But it has a particular format. First comes the sender's address. 3B Model Town, New India, 110088, India, 25th August 2000. After writing the sender's address and the date, we leave a line. After leaving the line comes the salutation. Dear Mom. Then below that, immediately on the next line comes the body of the letter. After the body of the letter, we can give concluding remarks. For example, in the concluding remarks here, they have written, "Convey my regards to Papa and love to dear Ritu." Then comes your complimentary closure. Yours loving or yours lovingly. Next comes the signature line, that is your first name in a case of informal letter. So I hope you have also understood the informal letter. Now you have two activities, a formal letter and an informal letter. First, write a letter to the principal of your school asking for leave in consequences of your illness. This is a formal letter. Next activity is write a letter to your friend who has just shifted to another city. This will be the informal letter. Both the letters you will write it in your English notebook. So I hope you have understood how to write the formal and the informal letter. We will meet back again with a new video. Till then, thank you and have a wonderful day.